Position the jug onto a flat, stable surface at a height that is comfortable to the user. Add ingredients to the filter basket, taking care not to exceed the basket fill line. Fit the basket onto the lid by carefully placing it over the blade and rotating in a clockwise direction until secure. Add liquid to the jug, making sure that the total volume is above the minimum fill mark but below the maximum fill mark. Push the lid onto the top of the jug, making sure it is slotted in properly. Plug in and switch on the milk maker at the main power supply. Press the on-off button. The plant milk indicator will illuminate. Press the on-off button again to begin the cycle. To stop blending, press the on-off button. Remove the lid from the jug using the top handle. To remove the filter basket from the lid, use the collector container. Align the rivet on the base of the filter basket with the slots inside the collector container. Hold the collector container firmly and gently twist the lid in an anti-clockwise direction until the filter basket unlocks. Transfer the pulp into a suitable container. Carefully transfer the milk into a suitable container. Allow the milk maker to cool before making a second batch of milk. Chop the ingredients into 2 cm cubes and place them in the jug. Add liquid to the jug, making sure that the total volume is above the minimum fill mark but below the maximum fill mark. Push the lid onto the top of the jug, making sure it is slotted in properly. Plug in and switch on the milk maker at the main power supply. Press the on-off button. The plant milk indicator will illuminate. Press mode until the blend indicator illuminates. Press the on-off button to begin. The blend indicator light will illuminate during use. When using the blend setting, the timer will begin to count down. To stop blending at any time, press the on-off button. Carefully remove the lid and transfer the liquid into a suitable container. The lid must be completely removed prior to transferring the liquid. Wipe the milk maker with a soft, damp cloth and allow to dry thoroughly. Do not immerse the milk maker in water or any other liquid. Never use harsh or abrasive scourers to clean the plant milk maker, as this could cause damage. To clean the inside of the plastic jug and the underside of the lid, rinse in clean water to remove milk and other food residue. Wipe with a soft cloth and mild detergent before rinsing again. Use the blend setting to remove stubborn stains. Add hot water up to the minimum fill mark with a small amount of mild detergent. Fit the lid and press the on-off button to switch on the machine. Select mode until the blend setting is selected. Then press the on-off button to begin cleaning.